Announcing a new line of travel trailers available at Chesapeake RV Solutions.
Hello everybody, Dean Catan's right here with Dutchman Aspen Trail. We have three unique features that we have in our units. We have fully heated and enclosed underbellies, 82-inch ceiling heights, and a convertible U-shaped dinette where you can have the biggest bed in the industry. You also have the ability to have all the kids around that table, but most importantly, it can also go to a booth dinette. David, take it away.
We'll look at the outside of a new Aspen Trail 2910 BHS today. Great sized unit, fixed steps, tandem axle, outdoor kitchen, great ceiling height, and an attractive paint scheme on this conventional build. Let's take a look inside now.
So first off, great ceiling height inside this unit. Not only in the main living space, but also 6 feet tall in that slide out. Great sofa, of course that wonderful convertible U dinette, which provides a great sleeping surface, room for all the kids, as well as conversion into a booth dinette. More cabinetry here to the rear of the coach and the bunkhouse. Stepping into the bunkhouse, we see 3 beds, 2 large beds to the left, as well as a single across the back. You also have 2 fold-out sleepers that serve as chairs, facing, you guessed it, a TV, as well as a great amount of cabinetry for all the kids' clothes. So this bunkhouse, with its hard closing door, provides not only great sleeping, it provides hangout space on those rainy camp days when the kids want to get away and still have some fun. Looking back, you see the entertaining center, mom and pop doors on either side so you don't have to crawl over your spouse to get to bed. And looking at that kitchen countertop, notice that's a pressed membrane with no T-mold so the water won't be a damaging issue. In the bathroom, we've got a tub shower, nice sized vanity with sink, countertop, and an extra towel hook over here to the right. So a good sized bathroom for your use. Now looking again into this forward area, you'll notice this great single bowl undermount sink, great amount of cabinetry, and that 28-inch door. I don't know if I mentioned that, but that 28-inch entry door is great. So come check out this 2910 or any of the other Aspen Trail floor plans. We've got 6 of them out here right now. Find your best RV at Chesapeake RV Solutions.